Building HIPAA-compliant applications can be challenging, but it's mandatory for any business handling patients' protected health information in the U.S. Let's dive into 5 technical tips to secure your app and protect patient data. 1. End-to-end data encryption. Encrypt PHI both at rest and in transit. This prevents unauthorized access and ensures secure communication between client and server. 2. Granular access control and authentication. Only authorized users should access PHI. Use multi-factor authentication, session timeouts, and strict password policies to reduce the risk of breaches. 3. Audit trails and logging. Maintain detailed audit logs for all PHI access and modifications. Logs should be immutable and time-stamped, allowing you to track who accessed what, when, and from where. 4. Secure APIs and third-party integrations. Ensure all APIs and third-party services are HIPAA-compliant. Use API gateways, token-based authentication, and encrypted payloads. Never expose PHI to services that don't meet security standards. 5. Regular security audits and penetration testing. Perform routine penetration tests and vulnerability scans. Identify weak points in your app, fix security gaps, and stay ahead of potential threats. Want to make sure you don't miss any critical steps? Download our free HIPAA compliance checklist and keep your app secure every step of the way.